There he goes. What do you have for supper tonight? Dead rats? Go
I want
back
a dead
home?
rat for dinner tonight.
Yeah? That's their dinner, dead rats?
I want a dead rat for dinner.
Yeah.
That would be a hamburger.
There he goes. Now the thing is, he's going to take the whole thing somewhere else. Yep, there he goes. Yeah, there's Bill. Watching flies somewhere, I bet you.
No.
Nope, we'll meet it there, looks like. Yep, eating it there.
Oh man, he just ripped that.
Oh man, ripped that piece off, didn't he?
Yeah, that.
Getting the meat out inside. Why don't you ever barbecue on farm? Down at Lancaster's barbecue.
Yep. Give me some hot sauce too, by the way.